Our cherished planet Earth is currently undergoing a remarkable transformation, ascending to a higher dimension. The signs of this shift have become increasingly apparent in recent years, characterized by a series of extreme events and an elevated human resonance. These indicators point towards an acceleration of the awakening and division of consciousness within humanity. Dolores Cannon, a revered pioneer in metaphysics and regression therapy, asserted that we are amidst a monumental transformation, a split in consciousness that is expanding daily. Through her extensive work, including thousands of regression sessions with clients, she identified a recurring theme. Individuals from diverse backgrounds across the globe reported similar experiences during these sessions, describing a fundamental division in consciousness, a split. According to Cannon, this split represents the divergence of two distinct paths or realities. It symbolizes a metaphorical fork in the road where humanity faces a crucial choice. One path leads to a higher vibrational state of existence, often referred to as the New Earth, while the other continues along the same trajectory of the old world with its conflicts, limitations, and struggles. You may wonder what causes this split and how it manifests in our lives. The answer lies in the collective consciousness and the choices we make as individuals. As more people awaken to their true nature and higher potential, the planet's energy undergoes a shift, creating a vibrational divide. Those aligned with the higher frequencies of love, compassion, and unity move towards the new Earth, while others remain in the denser, fear-based energies of the old world. This shift is observable on multiple levels: environmental, societal, and political. Our reality is undergoing a profound metamorphosis, leading humanity down divergent paths and creating a noticeable and growing division among people. At the core of this division are two primary factors. Firstly, the influence of those in positions of power who knowingly or unknowingly seek to keep humanity divided. These individuals and institutions understand that a united humanity poses a significant threat to their existing power structures, leading them to manipulate circumstances and promote divisions. The second significant reason for this division lies in the separation of consciousness. Many individuals are undergoing an awakening, transcending the boundaries of their conditioned beliefs. They question the narratives they've been fed, seeking higher truths, and aligning themselves with the energies of the new Earth and the fifth dimension. Conversely, many remain in a state of sleep, trusting governments and authorities to care for them. This stark contrast in consciousness creates a profound divide among humanity, with some embracing their inner power and sovereignty, while others operate within external control systems. This consciousness divergence is akin to a substantial chasm, causing a widening split among humanity. The divide becomes increasingly visible in daily life, with tensions in society and politics escalating. It seems as though the forces of unity and separation are engaged in a cosmic tug-of-war. However, it's crucial to recognize that this split serves as a profound opportunity for growth and transformation, reflecting the choices we make as individuals and as a collective. As the split widens, it becomes evident that we are approaching a critical juncture in our collective evolution. A point will come when events unfold, and there won't be another opportunity to align with the new Earth and the higher dimensions. This is not meant to instill fear, but to emphasize the urgency of the moment. Imagine a world where love, unity, and compassion guide us, a place where harmony and abundance flow effortlessly. This is the vision of the new Earth as described by Dolores Cannon. It is not only a vibrational state of existence, but also a physical place. It's a reality where humanity has transcended the limitations of ego-driven, fear-based consciousness. The new earth is not about escaping life's challenges, but transcending them, recognizing our innate divinity and living in alignment with it. It's a reality where the ego takes a back seat and the heart becomes the compass of our lives. In this dimension, we co-create a harmonious existence, free from the constraints of duality and separation. To know if you are aligned with the new earth, look within. Are you drawn to love, unity, and compassion? Are you seeking higher truths and spiritual growth? Do you recognize the interconnectedness of all life? These are signs that you resonate with the energies of the new earth, and sooner or later, the old earth will fade from your perception. In the fifth dimension, the limitations of the physical world dissolve, and thoughts and intentions manifest more quickly. To make this shift to the fifth dimension in your life, start by raising your vibration. Let go of lower vibrational emotions like fear, anger, and resentment, and embrace higher vibrational qualities like love, gratitude, and forgiveness. Cultivate mindfulness and inner peace to navigate the fifth dimensional energies. Dolores Cannon's work emphasizes that personal transformation is connected to the global shift in consciousness. Every time you choose love, compassion, and unity, you contribute to the elevation of humanity's consciousness. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions matter. They shape the reality we experience. As we approach the final shift, remember that the process of ascension is not linear. It's a spiral with ups and downs, twists and turns. Challenges are opportunities for growth and self-discovery. The discomfort is part of the birthing process into higher consciousness. Patience, trust, and resilience are essential. Navigate challenges by living in the now, practicing self-compassion, and cultivating detachment. Seek support from like-minded individuals and stay committed to the path of higher consciousness. Visualize the new earth during challenging moments, anchoring your energy and intentions. Continuing on this transformative journey, it's essential to acknowledge the continuous evolution and growth that accompanies each step towards the new earth. The ongoing split in consciousness invites us to delve deeper into navigating challenges and solidifying our commitment to higher states of awareness. In moments of uncertainty, or when external forces attempt to pull you back into the familiar grip of the 3D world, practicing present moment awareness becomes a potent tool. Grounding yourself in the now allows you to release the hold of past regrets and future anxieties, enabling you to fully embrace the present moment with all its imperfections. By doing so, you recognize that the present is the point of power where meaningful change and transformation can occur. Reflect on how often the mind dwells on past regrets or worries about the future, realizing that such habits rob us of the richness of the present. Letting go of these tendencies opens you up to the infinite possibilities of the now, fostering a conscious presence that aligns more closely with the energies of the fifth dimension. When faced with triggers from external events or circumstances, taking a few deep breaths to reconnect with the present can be transformative. Remind yourself that challenges are inherent in the journey of growth and view them not as obstacles, but as opportunities to reaffirm your dedication to the path of higher consciousness. Acknowledge that your responses to challenges are pivotal, shaping not only your personal evolution, but also contributing positively to the collective consciousness. Practicing self-compassion is another crucial aspect of navigating the shifts in consciousness. Embrace moments of doubt or fear with gentleness, understanding that these emotions are natural components of the process. Grant yourself the same love and compassion you would offer to a friend undergoing a challenging time. This nurturing attitude allows for a more seamless transition towards the energies of the new earth. Detachment, as discussed earlier, remains a profound practice to maintain inner peace amidst external chaos. It doesn't entail disengagement from life, but involves not allowing external circumstances to dictate your internal state. When challenges arise, stepping back to observe them with detachment enables you to respond from a place of wisdom and inner calm, rather than reacting impulsively out of fear or frustration. Seeking support from like-minded individuals becomes crucial during this profound journey. Connecting with a community that shares similar values and aspirations provides guidance, understanding, and a sense of belonging. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and insights with fellow seekers reinforces the awareness that you are part of a larger collective, all working towards the common goal of higher consciousness and the realization of the new earth. Commitment to the path of higher consciousness is tested during challenges. Rather than viewing these challenges as obstacles, consider them as opportunities for growth and transformation. Negative emotions that may arise, such as fear, doubt, anger, or frustration, are avenues for transmutation. Transform fear into courage, doubt into faith, and anger into compassion. Use challenging moments to delve deep within yourself, healing and releasing old wounds, emerging stronger, wiser, and more aligned with your true essence. In moments of challenge and uncertainty, pause to visualize the new earth, the higher dimension you strive to embody. Envision living in a world characterized by love, unity, and harmony. This visualization not only anchors your energy and intentions, but serves as a powerful reminder of your ultimate destination. Holding this vision in your mind's eye allows you to resonate more deeply with the energies of the new earth, making them more accessible in your current reality. Visualization becomes a potent tool for manifestation and transformation. Amidst the challenges, always keep sight of your purpose for embarking on this path of ascension and transition. Remind yourself of the deeper meaning behind your journey, the evolution of your soul, the expansion of your consciousness, and the positive impact it can have on both your life and the collective consciousness of humanity. Your choices and actions create ripples in the world, influencing the global awakening and the co-creation of a more harmonious and enlightened reality. Lastly, celebrate your progress. Even in the face of challenges and setbacks, recognize that you are continuously evolving and growing. Each step towards the new earth is a significant achievement in your spiritual journey. Take a moment to acknowledge your growth and the positive changes you are making in your life and in the world. Celebrate your courage, resilience, and commitment to higher consciousness. By doing so, you not only boost your self-esteem, but also infuse your journey with positivity and joy. In conclusion, as we continue to navigate the ongoing split in consciousness, Dolores Cannon's teachings offer profound insights into the transformation of our world. The split provides an opportunity for humanity to choose the path of love, unity, and higher consciousness. Embracing the practices outlined here allows us to align with the energies of the new earth, contributing to the co-creation of a more harmonious and enlightened world. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Can you sense the growing division and glimpse the essence of the new earth in your life? Your perspective is valuable, and I look forward to hearing your opinions and experiences. Thank you for your engagement, and stay tuned for more discussions on this transformative journey.